Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Pro Brush Anti-Frizz Ionic is probably one of the most talked about hair tools on the market right now, promising to deliver salon-smooth, frizz-free results with every use. And today we're diving deep to see if this innovative brush lives up to the hype and can truly transform your hair from unruly to unbelievably sleek, all while cutting down your styling time significantly. Number 5. Crave Naturals Glide Thru Detangling Hairbrush. Tired of struggling with tangled hair? Introducing the Glide Thru Detangling Hairbrush, designed to make hair brushing a breeze. It effortlessly glides through knots and snags. Whether your hair is wet, dry, or damaged, this brush is your solution. Its gentle bristles work to detangle without causing breakage or discomfort. Perfect for everyone in the family. Achieve smoother, more manageable hair with every use. This styling tool is designed to minimize pulling and maximize comfort. Say goodbye to frustrating brushing sessions. This versatile brush is suitable for adults, kids, men, and women. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for easy styling. It's the perfect addition to any hair care routine. Crafted for durability and designed with a vibrant turquoise color, this brush is as stylish as it is effective. Its compact size makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Experience the difference it makes. What we like. This brush is designed to effortlessly tackle knots. It works wonders on both wet and dry hair, making your detangling routine a breeze. If you struggle with stubborn tangles or have delicate, damaged hair, this is the tool for you. What people say. The brush is lightweight and easy to handle, making styling more comfortable. It effectively reduces frizz and leaves hair looking smooth and shiny. The Ionic technology helps to speed up drying time and add shine to the hair. Number 4. Arkam Premium Heated Beard Brush Kit. Tired of unruly beards? Achieve a perfectly styled look with ease. This premium heated brush is designed for effortless grooming. Experience advanced heating technology that ensures consistent temperature for optimal styling. It effectively straightens and smooths your beard without damage. Our anti-scald feature provides a safe and comfortable styling experience. You can groom with confidence, knowing it's gentle on your skin. The dual-action design combines straightening and combing for a polished finish. It works through medium to long beards, taming flyaways and creating a neat appearance. Keep your grooming essentials organized with the included hard-shell travel case. It's perfect for maintaining your look wherever you go. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This premium kit is an ideal choice for costume and grooming enthusiasts. What we like. Achieve a perfectly groomed beard with this heated styling tool. It straightens and styles facial hair efficiently, even coming with a protective travel case. If you're looking to tame a medium to long beard and want a convenient grooming solution on the go, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The brush is lightweight and easy to handle, making styling much quicker. It effectively reduces frizz and leaves hair looking smooth and shiny. The Ionic technology helps to tame flyaways and add a healthy sheen to my hair. Number 3. Belula Boar Bristle Hair Brush Set, Medium. Introducing the Belula Boar Bristle Hair Brush Set, designed for gentle styling. This set is perfect for achieving a polished look with ease. Specifically crafted for thin and fine hair types. Its soft, natural bristles provide a comfortable and effective brushing experience. Rediscover your hair's natural radiance and smooth texture. This brush helps to distribute natural oils, leaving your hair looking healthier. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for beautiful hair. You'll find a wooden comb, a travel bag, and a luxurious spa headband. Achieve salon-quality results at home with this versatile hair brush set. It's the perfect addition to your daily hair care routine. What we like. Experience natural shine and improved texture with these boar bristles. This set is specifically designed for thin and fine hair types. If you desire a softer, healthier look for your delicate hair and appreciate natural grooming tools, this set is ideal. What people say. The brush has Ionic technology that helps to reduce frizz and static. It is designed with boar bristles that distribute natural oils, leaving hair smooth and shiny. The brush is lightweight and comfortable to hold, making it easy to style hair. Number 2. One-Step Dryer and Volumizing Hot Air Brush. Introducing the ultimate styling tool that combines a blow dryer, straightener, curler, and hot comb. Achieve salon-quality results with just one device. Get ready for incredible volume and a smooth, shiny finish. Its innovative design helps you dry and style in a single step, reducing frizz and enhancing shine. Effortlessly straighten or curl your hair with the ceramic plates. This versatile tool adapts to your desired look, providing sleek or bouncy styles with ease. Experience healthier-looking hair thanks to advanced ionic technology. It helps to reduce heat damage and leave your locks feeling soft and looking vibrant. Transform your hair routine with this professional-grade styling tool. Achieve that perfect salon look from the comfort of your own home, anytime you want. Save time and effort with this all-in-one solution. It's designed for quick and easy styling, making busy mornings a breeze. What we like? This versatile tool combines multiple styling functions into one device. It dries, volumizes, straightens, and curls your hair with ease. If you're aiming for salon-quality results at home and want to simplify your styling routine, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The brush is designed to reduce frizz and add shine to hair. It uses ionic technology to combat static and leave hair smooth. The brush has a comfortable grip and is easy to maneuver through hair. Number 1. Cosy Companion's High-Speed Ionic Hair Dryer. Tired of long drying times? This advanced hair dryer uses a powerful 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor to dry your hair in as little as 2 to 5 minutes. Get ready faster than ever before. Say goodbye to frizz and heat damage. Its ionic technology and optimized airflow work together to protect your hair's natural moisture. Enjoy smoother, healthier-looking locks with every use. Enjoy a peaceful styling experience. This blow dryer operates at a low noise level, so you can achieve salon-quality results without the disruptive sound. It's powerful yet surprisingly quiet. Styling your hair has never been easier. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable handling, even during extended use. Effortlessly achieve your desired look without arm fatigue. Unlock endless styling possibilities. This dryer comes with both a diffuser and a nozzle, allowing you to create a variety of looks, from sleek and straight to voluminous curls. Perfect for any hair type. Upgrade your hair care routine with this innovative tool. It combines speed, protection, and comfort for a superior drying experience. Discover the difference advanced technology can make. What we like? Get your hair dry in minutes with its powerful motor. It effectively minimizes frizz and heat damage, all while being incredibly lightweight. If you have limited time for drying, want to protect your hair from heat, and prefer a comfortable styling experience, this is the dryer for you. What people say. The brush is designed to reduce frizz and add shine to hair. It uses ionic technology to combat static and smooth the hair cuticle. The brush features ceramic bristles that distribute heat evenly, preventing damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.